Alright, so we wanted to have a good old race. So we're gonna race the ugly truckling and this Focus we just found in the woods. Seems to be dead though, so
100% dead. You're looking at speed right here, son.
I'm nervous. There we go. Where's the rod? There it is. Woo! Z-Tech. Watch out. Okay, gotta jump. Gotta jump the poor baby. Yeet yeet. Fire up! Okay, we had the cables on wrong. Now the cables are on right. Oh. The cables are on correctly now, so hopefully it'll start up. It's alive! It's gonna explode. Alright, so we got the old Focus running. Let's see if it can get out of the woods now. Alright, we might have to go help. Oh, here it comes. Oh boy, he's banging gears. Oh. Jumped a little gravel pile there. Looks like we're going straight for it.
Do you want to be on this side?
No, that's fine. Yeah, I guess so. Alright, here we go. Gonna race the Focus. Ought to be a good one.
Yeah, on the third one we go.
On the third one? Okay. Are you honking?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, go ahead. That was interesting, to say the least. We spun pretty seriously there. Okay, now we're gonna attempt a cute little roll race. Just a cute one though. From around 20 miles per hour. Should be interesting. Well, that was a good old time. Ooh, he's squealing tires. Look at that tire squeal.